Day 205, the pain that leads to life. For godly grief and the pain God is permitted to direct produce a repentance that leads and contributes to salvation and deliverance from evil, and it never brings regret. But worldly grief, the hopeless sorrow that is characteristic of the pagan world, is deadly, breeding and ending in death. 2 Corinthians 7:10. There is a sorrow that destroys, and there is a sorrow that heals. Worldly sorrow turns inward. It collapses into shame, self-pity, and regret. It may grieve exposure, but only because it hates being found out. It may mourn consequences, but it does not truly turn to God. Godly sorrow is different. Godly sorrow is redemptive. It is a gift. It is painful, yes, but it is holy pain. It is the kind of grief that comes when truth breaks in, when illusions fall apart, when the Father exposes what must be exposed so that we may be brought back to Him. This is why exposure, though devastating, can become mercy. The Father does not expose in order to humiliate. We do that well enough for ourselves. He exposes in order for full deliverance. He uncovers the filth, the self-righteousness, the false supports and foundations, and the independent striving, so that repentance may come and salvation may continue its deep work within us. Repentance is not merely feeling sorry. It is an active turning that comes from that deep gift of pain. Holy pain. It is and will bring forward agreement with God. It is renouncing what is not of Him. It is allowing Him to bring you through the pain into life without regret, so that you may run fully in the fullness of the life He has written down for the two of you. So do not run from godly sorrow. Do not resist the pain that the Father means to use for your full deliverance. Invite His truth in. Let Him search you. Let Him bring into the light what He must. Because when sorrow is according to His will, it will never end in death. It will always lead to His robust life and deep, active abiding between the two of you, the Father and His sons.